Good morning, guys. After 101 days, my Cayman is finally fixed. We are in the loaner car right now. We're gonna go drop it off at Porsche, pick up my car. I can't believe it. Honestly, there's been a few times during this whole process that I genuinely thought I would never drive this car again. So let's go get her. One last errand in the Macan. Only thing this thing is good for, hauling tires. I may have bought a new set of tires. Let's not talk about it, but we're gonna go drop these off, then go get my car. We are finally back at Porsche, and I actually get to pick up my car this time, so yay! I cannot believe we finally have this car back. I am so happy right now. Best drive home I could have asked for. They have had to reset the entire computer and whatnot on this car, so none of my save settings are right. So tomorrow we need to do like a big reset. I need to just like clean the car, dial it in, reset everything, and I'll feel a lot better. But she's home, we're back. I'm so excited, guys. Good morning, friends. It is Saturday morning and we are back in the Cayman. I truly can't believe that I actually have this car back. Like, it just has not set in yet, but I had the best drive home yesterday. I'm so happy. And it's Saturday morning, so we're gonna go to Crystal Cove, go see some cars, go meet up with some friends, and then go grab some coffee. It seems as though everything has been fixed with this car, but there's one new issue. They have Americanized it, which, don't get me wrong, totally fine. I don't know what Fahrenheit or miles are. So when we get home, I need to reset everything back to how I had it. They had to reset the entire computer, so like all my seat settings, everything has been deleted, which is super annoying, but not the end of the world. When we get back, we're gonna do like a full reset. I also have no idea where anything is in this car right now. Everything kind of got moved around while the guys were working on it. So we're gonna take everything out, put everything back in, or reorganize it, and then chat about what the hell actually happened to my Cayman. So cars, coffee, and then we'll be back. I'm literally gonna scream every time I turn this car on for the next like 3 weeks, and I'm sorry in advance. There would be no gas in my car. For sure, for sure, for sure. That's cool. Time for coffee. Okay, since I haven't had my car in 3 months, there are so many things that I just like need to reset on this car because it's driving me crazy. Someone asked me if my coolant temp was running okay this morning, and it says it's 174 degrees. I don't know if that's good or bad. So we're gonna do that. all my seat positions and everything has been swapped. Everything's been deleted. The key doesn't have my saved settings anymore. So like I back up, my mirror doesn't go down, driving me crazy. Along with that, I have no idea what I left in the car when I brought the car into the dealer. I'm pretty sure I still have ice skates in the vehicle. So we're gonna empty the car, give it a little reset, put all my cleaning stuff and like everything important back in, and then we'll be good to go. Oh wow. My headlight is still cooked, but at least they detailed this and it's nice and shiny now, so I guess that's helpful. I don't know what you do with this collection of items in here. Shoes, camera gear, and a hockey glove. Here's my old tires. I just threw them here for now because I don't know where to put them. My winter tires are back there. The good old Vertesteins. These have been great. Pretty much everything is out of the car. I need like a little box or a little tray to keep the few things I do have in the trunk, just like all my stupid cleaning supplies, and I cannot find the bag with the rest of the cleaning stuff. So if I can't find it, we're going on an adventure later. Okay, the lighting is whack because the hood is open, but it's fine. Center console. I have like a shit ton of license plate screws in here. I don't even know where these came from, but they're being evicted out of the car. More broken seat clips. We really need to fix these soon. I have no idea how I've acquired so many of these, but they're going in the garage. What I need is my detail kit. I used to have like this little bag full of all my detail stuff, car wash stuff, etc. And since I came down to California, I don't know if I just like left it in Vancouver or what, but I cannot find it. I have like buckets and sponges and like WD-40 and I think tire shine in there. Okay, I pretty much just took everything out of the car. The only things left in there are like detail spray, a few phone mounts for like cameras and stuff. Need to figure out the detail kit so I can put that back in the car. That's really it. The trunk and the front desperately need a vacuum. They still have pine needles from when I put the Christmas tree on the car, which is not good. So, don't know if we're gonna do that today because it's hot as fuck out here. But at least everything's empty. We can reset it tomorrow. I just need to do like all the car settings so everything when I turn the car on is how I like it. So seat position, air conditioning, all that good stuff, and put it back in kilometers because I really don't know what a mile is. This is an important one. Okay, I think that's everything for now. We'll see what else drives me crazy as I drive around today and what needs to be changed, but I feel so much better. Guys, 101 days later, we finally have Saltie back. Now, what the hell has happened in the past 3 months? If you've been following along the journey, the car went in originally for a water pump, which we thought would take a day, a week maybe, 2 weeks at most if, you know, they didn't have parts. But no, 101 days later. After 8 weeks of not being able to diagnose the car, replacing half the cooling system and then replacing it again, we finally came to the conclusion that we had to pull the engine out of the car. So we pulled the engine out, and then we discovered that there was a complete blockage in the coolant system going into the rear radiator. Super fun. So one of the cooling lines had corroded going into the rear. We replaced that, we replaced the rear radiators, the intake, the head gasket, and basically everything else. And now she's fixed, she's here. That was the most frustrating 3 months of my life. The good news is we have extended CPO for another 2 years, and this car does not need any servicing for the next probably 15,000 kilometers. All the fluid changes have been done. We also did my spark plugs. We did the drive belt since, well, the engine was out already. Super easy to do once you're already there. So we did that, and that's really it. Good morning, friends. It's Sunday. My favorite cars and coffee is today. Let's go. after everything that has happened over the past few months, it is amazing having Saltie back at home, back in the garage, and of course, back on the road. Mechanically, she is running so well, which is such a relief because this has been an absolute nightmare. But now that we have her back and on the road, there's a few little cosmetic things that I do really want to fix that are driving me crazy. We've talked about this in previous videos, but my headlight is doing some funky stuff. My wheel still needs to be fixed. There's a bunch of broken seat clips, a little bit of PPF that needs to be taken off and reapplied. So just little things here and there. I really want to get the car repaint corrected, fresh coat of ceramic coating just to make my life easier. Again, it's nothing major, it's just all these little things that have been sitting on my mind for the past few months, especially with her not being here, and now I have her back. I'm I want to dial this car in, make her perfect, maybe do some fun other stuff, I don't know. But all that to say, I'm so excited to have my Cayman back in the garage. I cannot wait for this next chapter. I already have so many road trips and fun things planned, and honestly, it's just nice to drive my own car again. So thank you all for sticking with me the past few months of absolute chaos. I hope if you have cooling issues, maybe this video will be helpful. So if your cooling system breaks, check your rear radiators. Okay, bye.